This is the solution you've been looking for. In today's fast-paced digital world, mastering digital marketing is the key to unlocking financial success. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a small business owner, or someone looking to grow their personal brand, this evergreen digital marketing guide will equip you with proven strategies to create wealth. Packed with actionable tips, SEO-optimized insights, and timeless techniques, this guide is designed to help you thrive in 2025 and beyond. Let's dive into the secrets of building a profitable online presence. Why digital marketing matters for wealth creation. Digital marketing isn't just about selling products, it's about building connections, establishing authority, and creating sustainable income streams. With over 5 billion internet users worldwide, the opportunities to reach audiences and generate wealth are endless. From social media to content marketing, the right strategies can transform your financial future. This guide will walk you through the core pillars of digital marketing that remain relevant regardless of trends or algorithm changes. 1. Master SEO to dominate search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the backbone of any successful digital marketing strategy. By optimizing your website or content for search engines like Google, you can drive organic traffic that converts into revenue. Here's how to get started. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find high-volume, low-competition keywords like digital marketing tips or how to grow online business. On-page SEO. Optimize your titles, meta descriptions, and headers, H1, H2, H3, with target keywords. For example, this article uses Digital Marketing Guide strategically to rank higher. Quality content. Create valuable, in-depth content that answers user queries. Evergreen topics like how to build wealth online ensure your content stays relevant. Backlinks. Earn links from reputable websites to boost your domain authority. 2. Leverage social media for brand building. Social media platforms like X, Instagram, and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching audiences and driving engagement. To create wealth, focus on platforms where your target audience is active. Here's how. Consistent posting. Share valuable content daily, such as tips, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Engage authentically. Respond to comments and messages to build trust and community. Use trends wisely. Create content around trending topics, but tie them to evergreen themes. For example, a post about marketing hacks for 2025 can include timeless strategies like storytelling. Paid ads. Invest in targeted ads to amplify your reach, focusing on platforms like X for real-time engagement. By building a loyal following, you can monetize your audience through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or product sales. 3. Content marketing, the evergreen wealth generator. Content marketing is about creating value-driven content that attracts and retains customers. Blogs, videos, and podcasts are excellent formats for building trust and authority. Here's how to make it work. Create evergreen content. Write articles or produce videos on topics like how to start a business or digital marketing strategies for beginners. These remain relevant over time. Storytelling. Share your journey to connect emotionally with your audience. People buy from brands they trust. Repurpose content. Turn a blog post into a video, infographic, or social media series to maximize reach. Example, a blog post titled 10 Timeless Digital Marketing Tips can be repurposed into a YouTube video, boosting your visibility across platforms. 4. Email marketing, your direct line to revenue. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and drive sales. With an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent, it's a must for wealth creation. Here's how to succeed. Build a list. Offer free resources like ebooks or webinars to collect email addresses. Segment your audience. Send personalized emails based on user behavior or interests. Automate campaigns. Use tools like MailChimp to set up drip campaigns that nurture leads over time. 5. Monetization strategies for wealth creation. Once you've built an audience, it's time to monetize. Here are proven methods: affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions for every sale. Online courses, share your expertise through platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. E-commerce, sell physical or digital products using Shopify or WooCommerce. Consulting, offer personalized coaching or services based on your digital marketing expertise. Act now and change your life. Don't let another week pass, watching others cash in. This AI-powered email trick is your shortcut to millions in 2025. Set up your first sequence today. It takes less than an hour. Want the full blueprint? Subscribe to my channel for more tips, and let's make 10K a week together. Click on the link in the description and order a copy now.